Oh, my friends don't care about everything as long as you got a story to bring. We'll take you along, take you along, take you along.
Good morning, guys. We're gonna have a little travel diary, which I'm so excited for because I cannot wait to show you guys Thailand. And today we're going to none other than Chiang Mai. Really, I'm not gonna see you for a few days. Everything is packed. This is my fit for the airport. I'm just wearing a white cardigan, very comfy, and an LA hat because I didn't wash my hair today. I'm still getting used to filming on this. I'm so wonky, like there's a freaking earthquake. They're so cute with their eyebrows.
Oh, my friends don't care about everything as long as you got a story to bring. We'll take you along, take you along, take you along to some other place.
We are officially in Chiang Mai, CNX.
And a couple hundred till we run out, till we run out, till.
Gonna grab some snacks before we head into the house. Lay's in Thailand is really good. This one is really good. Corn puffs. I've been eating this since I was young. This is so good. This is ideal. A lot of MSG though, but really good. Salted egg congee. What? This is mo ping boran, which translates to traditional, ancient pork on a stick. Literally so much fat, and that's like the best part because it's soft and juicy. Let's go check out the surrounding area because it's so green and so nice. We've arrived at where we're staying and it's super green. It's been a minute since I came to Chiang Mai. Probably last time I came with Soy. We went to see rescued elephants and help them and stuff, so it was definitely a very heartfelt trip. And this trip is definitely more of a family-oriented trip where it's very chill and relaxing. Much needed, honestly. A good trip away from the city. Right now it's already 4 p.m. for going on 5 p.m. and so I'm gonna shower. Check back with you guys in a second. It does get a little colder at night, so I hope it gets a lot colder at night so that it feels a lot different than Bangkok, but it is monsoon season, so can't expect too much. I'm gonna blow dry my hair so I don't get sick, and then we're gonna go eat some dinner. Good morning, guys. And then some fried garlic.
Just hold up all your problems. We don't need now so much time to take up.
Hi!
Hey, this is vlog.
Vogue?
Vlog.
Welcome to my crib. Well, not my crib.
Are you ready for the 32 questions?
There's gonna be 32 questions. We didn't talk about this.
We don't have to fight it. We don't have to fight it. We don't have to. No. We don't have to. No. We don't have to fight.
Oh, there's a hammock!
We don't have to fight it. We don't have to.
No! This is the outfit I settled with today. I really like it. It just feels really nice to be outside. Ooh.
You don't need to fight it all alone.
Lisa! Oh, she looks so good. That's the money dance. Good afternoon. It is now 2:30 and I'm gonna jump in the pool. I have this hat right here. Honestly, hats have been saving my life a lot because my roots, you girls' roots are like black and white. No, you can tell me not to kick it if I wanna kick it. Yeah, very, very chill. And I'm gonna wear this. This is the bikini that I'm wearing and it's probably my most revealing bikini I own. Let's go for a swim.
It's not cold for you?
It's just cold under my boob. You guys see this flower? It is called dok kim in Thai. And it is grown like in a lot of places. I had this grown at my grandma's as long as I could remember. I want to show you guys this one because it actually is really sweet. I ate it all the time when I was a kid.
That's a tiny white bit, like a needle coming out.
Yeah, I don't remember the taste. I haven't tasted it in like 10 years. That juice.
Sweet?
Tastes like very honey flower taste. Good morning, guys. I don't have lipstick on right now, so don't mind me. We got avocados from the farmer's market, not farmer's market, the local market here, and they were so cheap. They were literally, oh, this is like $10, not $10, 10 baht, and that's literally 1/3 of $1. Let's see how it tastes. Camera eats first. This is probably the best morning for me in a while because we're finally here at the spot I've been really wanting to go to in Chiang Mai, and we're at Suan Ying Yong Naha. I literally bought the new vlog camera just to capture the beauty of Chiang Mai because it's just so gorgeous here. They usually have like 4 different color flowers, but this season they only have Highland.
If I'm starting to think so recklessly, I may just write a letter home to say goodbye to everyone. And
I had to grab a jacket even though this jacket doesn't really go with my outfit, but honestly the cold feels really nice. จากอย่างนี้มาอย่างนี้เลยอะ I feel like it's so refreshing to just see a bunch of trees and not like always be surrounded by the buildings of like the city life all the time. Do we blend in? You look like a flower girl.
You don't.
well, my friends think I'm a different kind, but there's not.
แล้วมันเจ๋งได้ไงอ่ะ
The cafe we were gonna come to is closed down. There's literally no one there.
Everyone else will think that it's weird, so maybe I might start keeping it clean and bear with the whole unusual feeling. I'll be alright, we'll be alright.
They're playing cigarettes after sex.
We'll be alright for 2 or 3 days, but after all the conversations have died out, I'll play the music from the beginning.
It's the Millie. It's the Millie baby. It's the Millie Bobby Brown.
Welcome to the show. Come and see the world in a different light and capture it with our own eyes and take it slow. Not just remember this, 'cause one day it is something I will do.
This is watermelon with crunch on top. นี่คือยากขำใหม่ Let's give it a taste test เขินอะ So gala chicken, gala duck, but that specific one has like moon boots on. If you look closely, see? Look at those fluffy legs. Hey, hey.
Cute. Let's just get bitten. Real funny.
Huh? อะไรนะ
I'm kidding.
You guys want this flower? So we're gonna go to a cafe to have some desserts and chill out because it's starting to get a little bit hot. Also, I really like this hat. Like if you guys come to Chiang Mai, you guys should definitely have like a farmer's hat. It's great and it's windy and the sun is out and everything, and it just gets you into that like feeling of being closer to nature. And I honestly really like changing my entire look today because I don't know, it just makes me feel closer to the places that I'm going to.
Yeah, I don't need an angel just for you to pick me up when I'm feeling down. It's like there's no gravity around.
We're at Rimnara Cafe, which is basically a cafe near the water, aka Lamthanนะคะ. It feels really serene to just be here. The sun is basking. And I got an outfit change because we're going to the same spot that I tried to go yesterday but failed. Roll the clip. Welcome to Hillsborough. Okay. ดีมาก โอ้ย
มีคนจอง private มาถ่าย wedding ด้วย
Some bad news. They closed the area down because there's a private shooting for a wedding, which congratulations to the couple, but we couldn't go in because they're about to close. We're probably gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna spend a little time here and bask in the sun and enjoy nature because Mother Nature is great and it's always nice to appreciate the things around you. Since I just moved back to Thailand, I feel like it's so important for me to really just like discover and explore more about my home country, and I'm glad I could bring you guys along with me though.
For you being around, things will fall apart. Do you want to pay me in advance?
We meet again. จำไม่ได้แน่นอน This is a dog I've been eyeing since yesterday. Baby chicken. I mean, chicks. It is pouring rain right now. I feel like this trip, it's just been such a roller coaster ride. อุ๊ยนี่ขอบคุณค่ะ
จะถ่ายเหรอ
Oh my god, they gave us umbrellas. This is like the umbrella I've been wanting to shoot with in the rain, so this is kind of perfect. We're here at Cypress Lane. Very pretty. They have a little cafe here. The service is really nice here, and they also have a bathroom that, you know, is convenient. The sun is finally out, so we're gonna try to attempt to take more pictures. I had to put my pants up because it was getting so muddy from the rain. คุณย่าได้กลายเป็นอินฟลูเอนเซอร์ตัวจริงที่แท้ทรู I'm having ribs, literally like fourth meal of the day. You look naked.
I'm naked.
The sun is setting now. Who gets to pick dinner? Okay, you choose dinner.
I didn't want to. I want to. You can choose.
We can choose together.
Aw.
Today was so eventful compared to the past 2 days we've been here. The sightseeing was so nice, and I just want to say that the people here are really, really nice. You can tell a lot by how people think from the way they look at you, and I feel like Chiang Mai people are super, super friendly, so I highly recommend visiting Chiang Mai and, you know, supporting the local businesses. So also the culture here too, because I feel like Chiang Mai is filled with
It's a whole ass different country.
a whole different cultural experience than Bangkok. So if you do come to Thailand, please visit other places in Thailand other than the city. I always tell everyone that when they ask me about coming to Thailand. Jia taught me how to do that, but mine's better. Oh! 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 You guys see that?
Works better.